up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Beating the market, one trade at a time. The Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so we'll be giving you top penny stocks I think everybody should be watching or keeping on their watch list. So let's jump into it. First stock on here, we have ticker sign GHSI. So looking at the stock, we can see that they are bearish based on the indicators that I have. So a moving average 10 is below the 50 and the 100, which is this purple line being the 100, and this yellow line being the 50. Moving average 10 line being this red line. VWAP is above the moving average 10, which is this lime green line. So some positive movement going on from there, but overall bearish on the stock in general. Looks like they had a nice little rally after hours on Friday, so hopefully on Monday they'll jump back up. Looks like they're trying to test this 89-cent level right here of the moving average 100. So going to see if it can break through that, given a confirmation of a bullish upward trend beginning. So going to be looking at ticker sign GHSI for next week. Next on here, we ticker sign CLIR. And CLIR is bullish. They had a week high of $5.18. Overall moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10, but I suspect that's going to go back up when the market opens on Monday. So they ended at 513 for the week, and then went up to 518, 5 more cents above their close to end the week at their week high. So definitely they can only go up from here. Going to be keeping a close eye out on ticker sign CLIR to see if they can continue this upward trend of momentum for next week. Next up, we have ticker sign KBSF, which is bearish given the indicators. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive on that indicator. Looks like they jumped up this week to have a week high of $3.34. So hopefully they can go back and retest this 302 level that they had for the week where they ended, or the moving average 50, but overall they ended at $2.87. Then after hours went up to $2.90, so a nice little small rally after hours for them, but they will have to retest this 302 level and then test this 337 level for next week. Next up, we have ticker sign HROW. And they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. They had a week high of $8.24. They ended the week at $8 even, and then had a 24-cent rally after hours to end at $8.24 overall. So they're going to be starting the next week at their week high. So a lot of good momentum from them. That's a very positive move forward for them. A nice little rally, 3% increase after hours, which is what I like to see on a lot of these stocks. And being bullish as well, moving average 10 above 50 and 100. That's a nice movement as well. So I'm going to be looking to see where this goes from this 824 level, potentially looking at 850 for the next potential resistance after this 824 level. Now, this is from the perspective of Webull, so if you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. Alright, so on here we have ticker sign ZVO, and they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. Looks like the 50 and 100 are starting to converge around this 363 level. So nice little convergence right here on this one. But the moving average 10 for ZVO has just shot up above both of those, having a week high of $3.87. Overall, they ended the week at $3.80, so only 7-cent difference between their high and where they currently ended. So going to be looking to see if it can retest that 387 resistance level and break through for a new potential weekly high for next week. Overall, going to be looking for this moving average, this VWAP to go back above moving average 10, and then have that confirmation of some more bullish run up going on with this one. But overall, positive on ticker sign ZVO. Next up, we have ticker sign SRTS, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100, so the purple and yellow line. We can see moving average 10 is trying to test the moving average 50, which is this yellow line, at this 360 resistance. Looked like they broke through after hours to end at 366 for the week, but going to be looking to see this VWAP shoot back up. If not, going to be some more oscillation with this one and some more sideways trading going on with the name. So going to be looking to see how SRTS performs when the market opens on Monday. Next up, we have ticker sign SYBX, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50-100, but having a nice little bullish run up towards the end of the week. So we can see right here, they had a low of $3 even, but then shot up towards the end of the week to have a $3.40 into the week. So a nice little bullish run up going on here. I would like to have the confirmation though of the moving average 10 going above 50 and 100 for my confirmation of the bullish upward trend. If not, could oscillate from that level, but VWAP is looking very healthy on this one as well, starting to go back up and test the moving average 50. So positive note overall for this one. Going to be seeing how high they can jump up, potentially break through this 340 level to get to 350. Next up, we have ticker sign NL for NL Industries. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. They did have a week high of $8.46, ending the week at $8.29, and then after hours going to $8.30. So about 16 cents from their week high. Overall bullish though. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10. So if we can't get this VWAP above, maybe some oscillation going on with this one between the 782 level and this 846 level. So going to be looking to see VWAP in the morning on Monday. Hopefully it can jump back up, and then we can solidify that it's going to be a bullish upward trend. Next up, we have ticker sign of VTSI, which is bullish, or I'm just going to say it's bullish. Moving average 10 is basically above the moving average 100. It's broken through the 50, and at the week at 505. We had a week high of $5.08, only 3 cents away from that week high. Overall, VWAP is looking healthy as well, jumping above the moving average 100, which is this purple line. So definitely going to be keeping a close eye out on this one as the week begins. Next up, we have ticker sign ACOR. And if we zoom out a little bit, they had a week high of $4.33, and in the week at $4.19. So they're going to have to retest this $4.19 or $4.20 level, which is the moving average 100. And then they'll have to retest this 433 level as well. So overall, bearish on the name in general because moving average 10 and VWAP are significantly below this moving average 100. So going to be keeping a close eye on them though, just because they shot up and hit that 433 level, and seeing if they can retest this 420 level. Next, we have ticker sign ATTIF, and they are bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10. They ended the week at $1.15. Went up 1 cent after hour to end at $1.16. But they're going to have to go through and retest this $1.14 level, and then retest this $1.24 level, the moving average 100. So moving average 100 is going to be where I'm looking at a target price for this one at 124 for ATTIF. As soon as they can break through this $1.14 level. So they are at $1.16, but since VWAP is so low, don't know how high they can or how long they could sustain that 116 level. But if they get some more momentum from this VWAP, then I'll look at 124 as being the next strike price for ticker sign ATTIF. Next up, we have ticker sign CLLV. CLLV is bullish. They ran all the way up to $10.03, so a nice little run up for them this week. We can see that they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10. And then we can see they ended at 882. They went up 24 cents after hours. They ended at 906. So a nice little rally. They kind of bounced off of this 827 level for that. But overall, bullish on the name in general. Going to be looking to see if they can retest this $10.03 level for next week after they ended at 906 for this week. Still looking at the VWAP though, a lot of momentum surrounding this one. Going to be looking to see if this VWAP can shoot back up. If it continues on the same trajectory that it's on now though, maybe some more oscillation going on between this level, probably around this 906 level down to this 826 level. So it may oscillate between that range if we do not see the VWAP, which this lime green line, jump back up for next week. Next up, we have ticker sign CIG, and they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10. Going to be looking to see if that can jump back up for next week. Overall, though, they ended at 227 and then went up 2 cents at 229 for the week. Going to be looking to see if they can test this 229 level again. So 229 seems to be their week high, and that is where they ended. So going to be seeing what level they can get to after that, or if they could sustain this line, since that seems to be a common resistance for them. So going to be seeing if VWAP can shoot up for ticker sign CIG on Monday morning, and if they can do that, then going to be seeing new highs. Next trajectory going to be looking at 230 for ticker sign CIG. And lastly on here we have ticker sign EBON. EBON is bearish. Moving average 10 is above 50 but below 100. And then we can see that they had a week high of $5.18. Overall still bearish though on the name. Going to be looking to see if they can jump back and retest this 489 moving average 100 line. And if they can do so, then I'll say a bullish pattern has been confirmed. If not, then they're probably going to oscillate between the moving average 50 and moving average 100, which is $4.73 to $4.89. Overall, though, they ended at 485, so at a 3-cent increase after hours, but then they still will have to retest this $4.89 level. Alright, so those are the stocks, penny stocks I think everybody should be watching or keeping on their watch list. Drop a comment down below telling what stocks you guys are looking at for the week. We'll help everybody else out in the comment. Make sure that thumbs up while you're down there, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.